Now we can try to get all the posts related to this category. So here we're going to first start by declaring a collection. So here type this collection is equals to new collection. This is going to be illuminate support collection. And just put a semicolon at the end. Now in this collection is where we're going to put all our query results, because we're going to query 2 different times. So we're going to mix the 2 collections or 3 or more together using this feature. So down here, we're not going to get all the posts related to this model category. So here I'm going to say this, we're going to push the result inside this collection. So in here, we're going to use a normal query now. So here, post models where has. So here what this where has means is that it means we're going to get a post which has a certain category ID. So here we're going to specify which ID that is. We create a comma, here type function, in here open bracket and close. Here I'm going to pass a subquery, and then here type use. The use is just the ID that we're going to use to query. So here type this query here. We're going to use this query. Okay, and then in the end type this curly bracket. Then right here put a comma. Alright, so now I'm going to get this same subquery. In here I'm going to type where. It's like now we're inside our category model relating to our post. This is a cool feature that I like to use, where ID is this query right here, like that. And then in the end here outside you can just type get. I'll remove this semicolon in the end. Alright, so now let me explain this. Here we're declaring a collection that we're going to put all our queries into one collection so it can be easier to get all the results. So here in this collection, after declaring it, we're not going to push the results of this query into this collection. So here what this query means is that get all the posts with the ID of this one. And here in this one, if you guys notice, I typed category. I don't know what this means, but I meant to type category. So now this is not a syntax error, it's just a typo, and it didn't affect our functionality. So I'll go to say this in the beginning of the video. If I go to the post model right now, you see that this is the declaration. So I mean, I don't want to change it now. I'll change it after the course has finished into the right spelling, but you can change, I mean, you can name this whatever you want anyway. So I just wanted to point that out. So now if we go back to our search, so here we're getting all the posts related to this category. Now we can check this by outputting this collection. In here, dd, this collection. Right now we'll see, go back to our home. Let me try to click on bucket. Voila, now we are getting 1 post, actually 2 posts which have the bucket. So here we have bucket 2 with the category ID bucket is 10, and here another post, here bucket, new bucket, like that. So we are finally getting our post. If I go and type, for example, screwdriver, we have 1 array and a collection. So if we have 4 posts which have a category of screwdriver. And now that's awesome. So now let us go back to our home and add a functionality to this one down here, because right now we are able to get our category based on just querying one category. But what if we query a parent, for example a home, and then we want to get all the posts under the home, doesn't matter which category they are in. So here it's now going to create a new function to do that.